Hi there! Are you concerned about your personal information being collected and shared online without your consent? Well, you're not alone. In today's digital age, online privacy is a major concern for all of us. That's why we're here to tell you about ClarityAI and why it should be your go-to choice for keeping your personal information secure. At ClarityAI, we understand that your personal information belongs to you and you alone. That's why we are committed to not collecting any personal information from our users. We believe that your privacy is of utmost importance, and we are dedicated to protecting it. Our app is designed in such a way that it does not collect any personal information or connect to the internet. That means you can use our app without having to worry about your personal details being stored or transmitted to any third party. Any audio you record or upload exists solely on your device and nowhere else. We don't include any advertising or analytics software that talks to third parties, so you can be sure that your personal information is safe and secure. So, if you're looking for an app that puts your privacy first, choose ClarityAI. With our commitment to not collecting personal information, you can use our app with confidence and peace of mind. Download the ClarityAI app today and start protecting your privacy.